All right, good morning. This is comeback day. So yesterday, blew out some accounts. Yeah, pretty painful. But the best thing to do is come back and have a good day. So yesterday I mentioned that I was working on some evals, and I went ahead and passed 12 evals yesterday. So we're now at 20 accounts with Apex, so we're maxed out. You know, we lost 8 yesterday, so I gained 12 today, or after the stream, and so now we're at 20. So today, going to, like every day, focus on making good trades, keeping risk tight, and just being smart. Particularly today, gonna focus on what I didn't do yesterday, which was take my profits when I see them, like 5, 10 or so points or whatever I see in ES into 20 and NQ. If I see it, I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna try to accumulate wins for the day and have a good day. Number one today is rebound. Be smart and really try to control risk. All right. So looks like we're really working to get higher here, but there's going to be resistance. I don't know how long it's going to take. I actually made money today, so kind of feel like I should stop and let the comeback, or just what am I trying to say? Stop the downward momentum from the loss yesterday. Yeah. So, made money today. So I think I'm just gonna call it. I think we could go higher, I don't know. We could go lower. It was a choppy day. I felt it in the P&L. Felt a lot of chop. So I think I should probably just stop now and give myself the rest of the day to really come back tomorrow and keep the positive momentum going. These two accounts. So yeah, I requested 8,600 from these accounts last night. These two accounts, this might be the 5th day on them. So I'll probably just flip a couple more days and then request like 3,400 or something like that. And then these are the 12 new accounts that I just got today. So that's it was a choppy day for sure. Let's look at this chart. Still feels bullish, but man, you really have to have some patience to hold on for it. I was saying it felt bullish right here, and then we had this pullback. Didn't see that coming. Yeah, I was saying bullish. I was saying we're for sure going up here. It looked like it was kind of, had dropped lower, kind of curled up here. Broke a little higher for sure at that point. It looked like it was going higher. And then we had this pullback. So didn't see that one coming. But it made another higher low. And we're just kind of making higher and higher lows. Not really breaking out just yet. A little bit more so on NASDAQ. So it just seems like it's gonna be a grind. Either we do grind higher or we get something similar to yesterday where it as soon as it breaks out a little bit higher, maybe from this high, maybe from right here, that it just turns around. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, definitely expressed in the chart today. Not a lot of people know what's going to happen here. I think the default assumption is that, tariffs continue to get taken care of. We've got the 90-day reprieve. Assume that deals will get made. Assume that Trump will continue to back off. If the market continues to be weak, we don't really keep getting a bounce. But then again, I don't know. I mean, who knows what China does, what China says. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of things that I can't pretend to actually understand. And I think a lot of people that do pretend to understand don't actually understand. So I think there's a lot of uncertainty. Hard to figure out what's going to happen here. Past few days, I mean, this is like a consolidation winding up, still trying to work towards the highs made on the huge historic day on ES. That's 55.20, right around 55.20. On NQ, that is around 19,385. So about 300 points higher in NASDAQ, about 55 or so points in ES. I assume at some point we test that. What happens after that, I don't know. Well, it'll be interesting to see. There's still a RTH gap for ES higher, all the way up to 5607. There'll definitely be some resistance around there if and when we get there. But as far as today goes, yeah, I'm done. Rebound day from yesterday, so happy about that. And yeah, still finding it very difficult to really execute with the on the live stream. It's can be tough at times, especially when you're really feeling the heat. It just adds to the pressure. But I'm gonna keep trying to do better. I started off doing fine, and then I just had to take it down. I had to take a break and take those down, and I ended up actually trading better once I did that. But either way, decent day. All right, I'm gonna end the stream, and I'll be back tomorrow.